Hi, Mary. What are you doing? Are you preparing for the class's presentation?
Good morning, John. Oh, yeah, I'm making the slides for it. Have you finished with your part?
Oh yeah, I finished it last night. I think my part was quite easy. Do you think we need a rehearsal before the presentation day?
Yeah, definitely. Because our presentation is on Friday, let's meet on Thursday afternoon at the library to practice.
Roger that. By the way, do you want to hang out after the presentation is done?
Oh, sounds interesting. What do you have in mind?
I don't know. What do you want to do? I am thinking about going to the cinema or shopping mall.
Oh, nice! I want to go shopping. Let's go to the shopping mall. We can even eat lunch there.
Great! So, is this weekend okay?
I think I will be busy on Saturday. My parents and I will visit my grandparents for the whole day. I'm good with Sunday, though. How about you?
Oh, I am free both on Saturday and Sunday, so of course I'm fine with that. So, see you at 9 a.m. on this Sunday then?
Yes, okay.
Perfect. I will come and pick you up. Text me your address tonight?
Okay, thank you, John. Also, don't forget, we will need to practice for our presentation on Thursday.
I won't. I'm going to my class now. Bye.
Bye, John. See you.
So, Katie, I want to go to the mall.
Okay.
Have you been to the new mall?
Yeah, I actually went there just yesterday.
Okay, so I want to buy some computer stuff. Is there a computer store?
There are 2 computer stores.
Really? Ooh,
Yeah.
that's good.
There's a computer store on the first floor, and then very close to that, there's also a Mac store.
Ooh, that's perfect. I want to buy a new Mac.
Oh, me too.
They're so expensive, though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what about books? I really like books. Is there a bookstore with English books?
There's a huge bookstore on the 4th floor.
Ooh, that's good.
It's really big, and there are lots of English books you can read there.
Oh, great. Nice. And how about the food there?
The food's okay. There's a big food court on the 3rd floor, and you can get a variety of food.
Oh, that's good. I love sandwiches. Is the food good there, though?
They don't have any sandwiches that I like at
Oh.
Subway.
Really? Okay.
Mhm.
So, what else is there at the mall?
Oh, there's so much at the mall. There's a cafe on the ground floor,
Oh, nice.
if you like drinking coffee.
I do. I like to go and study and just relax.
That's the perfect place for you then.
I like to people watch. Is it a good people watching place?
Oh, it's a great people watching place.
Oh, cool.
The windows are really big, and you can see out onto the street.
Oh, cool. What else is there? Is there a movie theater?
There's a movie theater on the 4th floor.
Oh, great. Now, do they have English movies?
They have English and Japanese movies.
Oh, that's good. I should watch some Japanese movies too.
They're interesting.
And how about food? I hear there's a new supermarket, a big supermarket there.
It's pretty big, and you can get lots of food there. It's on the 1st floor.
Okay. Is there anything else I should see?
What about the roof garden?
Oh, what is the roof garden?
It's on the 5th floor, and it's on the roof, and you can see a beautiful view of the city, and there's also places for you to sit and just enjoy the view.
Oh, nice. A roof garden. I like that.
It's really nice.
Now, do you buy clothes at the mall? Do they have nice clothing shops?
They have, they have nice clothing shops. Some of them are a little bit expensive,
Yeah.
and I like buying cheap clothes.
Okay.
So,
When's a good time to go?
I think the best time to go is probably weekdays.
Okay. Why?
If you go on the weekend, there are so many children there. And
Oh,
it's hard to walk around.
yeah, and we're teachers. We teach kids all day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't want to go then.
No, me neither.
Well, I want to go there next week, maybe Thursday night.
Okay.
Do you want to join me?
Yeah, that sounds good. Maybe we can watch a movie.
Cool, I'll buy you dinner.
Sounds great.
Do you want to go running tomorrow morning, Sam?
It depends. What time?
How about 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock? I don't get up until around 9:30.
Wow, you get a lot of sleep.
Not really. I usually stay up until about 3 in the morning.
Hi, James. What's new?
Well, I got a new job a few weeks ago.
Really? Congratulations! How do you like it?
Well, it's great, except for the hours. I work the night shift.
Oh no! When do you sleep?
Well, I go to bed at 8 in the morning. I sleep all day and get up at 4 in the afternoon.
Hi, Alina?
Yes?
This is Marta from English class.
Oh, hi, Marta.
Listen, I wasn't in class on Friday. Could you tell me the homework assignment?
Yeah, sure, but I'm not at home right now. Could I email it to you?
Sure, that would be great.
Good morning. I'd like to register for English class.
All right, which level?
Let's see. I took level 5 last semester, so level 6, I guess.
Okay, level 6. And your name?
Sylvia Gomez.
Could I please have your email address, Sylvia?